Thank you for checking out crypto.chartguys.com, the source for technical analysis in the cryptocurrency world. We are proud to announce our own crypto alert system designed to give you the most critical technical trading information possible no matter where you are. Keep your eyes on the market with mobile or email alerts for MACD crosses, RSI levels, and even inside bar alerts for dozens of coins across multiple exchanges. New features and proprietary ChartGuys indicators are already in development. Our alert system is very easy to customize and utilize, so don't hesitate to sign up for the most effective crypto trading tool on the market at crypto.chartguys.com. Hello everyone, checking in on the market. So another day, second day in a row where the bulls controlled the first half of the day and the bears showed up in a pretty big way the second half of the day, but some of that bearish momentum is absorbed because the bulls pushed the price higher the first half of the day. So it certainly seems brutal, but then you just zoom out, on the 5-minute time frame, it's all out dumps. The 5-minute RSI never hit oversold on SPY today. And although we did have some big all-out dumps, you look at this daily chart, and this is still a potential bull flag. It's very clear that we are consistently rejecting from the daily middle Bollinger Band resistance. That needs to become support for any kind of follow-through. And at this point, I'm still looking at two scenarios. The first is a bull flag with continuation and a very strong recovery for the bulls. Or the second is we see a little bit of an uptick in bear volume and a more significant pullback down into the mid-260s. And that's what we're going to be looking for over these next couple of days. Can we get this middle Bollinger Band of support and close over it, which would show that the bulls are back in control? And I'm watching right now futures. I've been watching the futures here just because the hourly chart is giving me a clear equilibrium pattern that I'm going to be watching. This is the high before the FOMC, the low of the dump. The lower high was the top of today with a significant recovery. Now we have our higher low set at the low of the day. Now it looks like we're forming a lower high. So just an equilibrium pattern that's setting up and should likely break tomorrow, and that should give us some short-term direction. So looking at the weekly time frame for SPY, inside bar, almost a sure thing at this point, and we'll be looking for an inside bar break next week on this name as well as other markets like the Dow. Speaking of the Dow, inside bar on the daily time frame. Tomorrow, a break of 24,854 is bearish. A break of 25,156 is bullish. Middle Bollinger Band resistance worth watching as well. And we are seeing the potential of a bullish MACD cross if we can get these daily middle Bollinger Bands as support. Same with SPY here. So Dow inside bar on the weekly time frame is going to break next week, most likely. And we'll be looking for that break to indicate short-term momentum. IWM still holding up, upper wicks. Support is the low of consolidation, 150-167. If that is lost, we're looking at 150-135, the 100-day moving average. So upper wicks of profit taking, and the 50-day moving average is the clear resistance here, even though it's really the middle Bollinger Band and the 50-day. 4 days in a row, we've rejected from both of those moving averages. Close at the low of the day, favored the bears on IWM. Weekly time frame, not an inside bar, but the potential of an equilibrium pattern with our high, low of the dump. Maybe this is our lower high, the top of the bounce, and we'll have to pull back and form a higher low, perhaps in the upper 140s. Looking at the VIX, the VIX saw a bullish move at the end of the day, but not entirely significant. It's an inside bar. Support is 1807, resistance is 2061. There's certainly a ton of volatility in terms of short-term trading opportunity, but the ranges right now, aside from that inside bar, 1697 support, 2134 resistance. Bears still have the upper hand as long as the exponential resistances remain and as long as the bulls don't break 2134. If we break 2134, that's a significant move, and we will be looking for a recovery into the mid-$20 range. Weekly time frame is not an inside bar, but it is fairly healthy consolidation considering how significant we broke out and still looking to form a higher low on the weekly. So that's where we stand. Hourly equilibrium pattern on the S&P 500 futures is going to potentially give a clue as to the direction to be looking tomorrow. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day.